Step 1: Business hours and employee setup. First, let's adjust business hours. Add in your business hours. Next, we'll add an employee. Optionally, add employee contact details. Choose an ID code and password for your employee. These can both contain letters or numbers. This creates a client record for your employee. If you plan on turning passwords on, you can check off what your employee should have access to here. Each screen will prompt for a password and allow or disallow access per employee. Passwords need to be enabled for system access to take effect under Utilities, Password Management, Change Password. Click here to allow access to all areas of Insight. Click here to remove access from all areas of Insight. Once you've already set up access for Employee A, you can select Employee B and click Copy from Employee. Choose Employee A and Insight will copy over their access to Employee B. Choose if the employee needs to be on the appointment book. Check this if this employee often needs to double book appointments. It will remove the warning pop-up for their column when doing so. Enable or disable online booking per employee here. Once you add services, you can choose which services employees are eligible or ineligible to book. When a new service is added, all employees are set to be eligible by default. Edit eligibility per service here. Hold Shift and click to select in bulk. You can also set eligibility for all services per employee here. Add the employee's rotating hours to open their column on the appointment book. If the employee has the same schedule repeatedly every week, leave this at 1. If they have the same schedule repeating every 2 weeks, change to 2. You can add on as many weeks in rotation as needed. Check off the days this employee works. This will open their schedule on the appointment book only on the selected days. Set their hours per day.